Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in with an account that has IAM permissions to manage MFA. This is required to change another user's settings. Once done, navigate straight to IAM and pick the target user. You need the MFA device type and serial identifier handy because AWS shows different options for virtual and hardware devices. Make sure to note whether it's assigned to an IAM user or the root account, since root deactivation follows a slightly different path. Now, in the user's summary, go to Security Credentials and locate assigned MFA device. You'll see options to manage or deactivate. Select Deactivate for the specific device type. AWS may prompt for your current credentials again to confirm the operation. This prevents accidental removal. If it's a root account, go through My Account then Security Credentials instead. You're removing the binding, so the next sign-in won't require the second factor, which is why confirmation and proper permissions matter. Finally, verify that the assigned MFA device list is empty for that user. This ensures deactivation completed. Make sure the user knows to set up a replacement MFA device immediately if you removed access for a planned rotation, and rotate any exposed access keys to be safe. If deactivation fails, check IAM policies and service control policies that might block MFA changes, and ensure you're acting with an administrator role. If problems persist, escalate to the account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.